Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics that matter, both machines on the same network and the print spooler running. Open services, set print spooler to automatic, then start it. Next, test connectivity by pinging the printer or host PC. If ping fails, fix the network first. Once done, temporarily disable third-party firewalls or security apps so we isolate the error. This prevents blocked RPC or file sharing ports from causing 0x00006d9 and lets you proceed to the core troubleshooting steps. Now you fix the middle. Enable required Windows components and open ports. Go to Windows Features and enable file and printer sharing. If legacy devices need it, enable SMB10 cautiously. Then open Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings and allow file and printer sharing and RPC inbound rules. Make sure HTTP and TCP 139/445 are permitted where appropriate. If you use group policy, inspect Windows firewall policies and remove restrictive inbound rules. These steps finish by reinstalling drivers and resharing the printer. Install the manufacturer's latest driver on both host and client, then recreate the share. Test from the client and use Print Management and the Devices and Printers dialog to add the network printer. If the error persists, run system checks, sfc/scano, netched firewall reset, and netdiag to isolate service failures. One key tip: if a third-party firewall caused it, fully uninstall it. Reboot, then retest. That often clears persistent 0x00006d9.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.